I just wanted to hop on because I ran down to doTERRA and picked up my BOGO box, and I want to show you what's in it and why this is important to me. I love BOGOs because it can save you so much money. And with the economy how it is, gas prices, crazy, fuel, housing, all of these things going up, inflation, this is one way that you can save money. Now, we've been using oils for over 12 years now, and we have only gone to the doctor once for sick care. So having tools in place in your home can save you money. There will be an investment in the oils, but they last for years. They rarely expire, and you use 1 to 2, maybe 3 drops per dose, so it can save you a lot of money. And it saves me a lot of time as a mom, just having things right at my hands, you know, in the middle of the night when you need something, emergency comes up. So I want to share with you the oils in the BOGO box and just briefly a little bit about each one of them. And then if you do purchase the BOGO box, that you can just grab the ebook that will go in more detail with recipes and different things that you can use them for. So let's go ahead and open the box. So if you're new to BOGOs, what doTERRA has been doing is that if you purchase all of the BOGOs for the week, it used to be that they would post 1 bottle of oil, and if you purchased that, you would get a different bottle of oil for free, and then each day you could go in and purchase those. Well, they put all of the BOGOs in a box at the beginning of the week, so if you just want to purchase them all, then you can do that. So there's actually 4 oils that you can purchase, and then you get 6 for free, which is pretty awesome. And also with the box, you're getting Copaiba for free. So let me pull. So you're getting Copaiba, and I will share with you what that does. You'll also be getting Neroli, which is one that's not a secret. And let's see what else we have in here. You're like, what do we have that's not listed? One that you can see that they've told us is in there is Purify. Also, I think it's cilantro. So you get cilantro and DigestZen. And I'm trying to keep the other one secret. I think those are the 5. So those 5, right? So that we know of. So let me briefly tell you a little bit about each one of those and how you can use them, how they benefited us. And then I will show you the other 5 that we don't know about. So Copaiba is probably the powerhouse oil that's in there, at least for me. This is, I wouldn't say equivalent to CBD oil because it goes far beyond and is far superior to CBD. So think of anything that you might use that for: pain, emotions, mood, for mental health. This is an amazing oil. I have a video that I will link up that you can watch that goes deeper into that. Also Copaiba versus CBD oil, just so you get a comparison. There's a huge cost difference between Copaiba and CBD oil. So this is a great one that you can use for those occasional aches and pains. Like I recently had a bulging disc, and this is one that I've been using on there, reducing the inflammation, taking away the pain. This has been a lifesaver for me. Just kind of checking my notes. So great for inflammation. Like I said, good for mood, for feelings of feeling anxious feelings. So that's an oil that you'd be getting for free in there. Okay, let's see. Let's go to Neroli. So Neroli is a beautiful oil that I think is very feminine, so sorry if you're a guy, but this is a great aphrodisiac. It's great for helping to relax, calm your mood. It's also great for that time of the month. So rubbing it right on can help with the cramping. It can help reduce blemishes. So rolling it on your face, great stress reliever. It's soothing to the skin. So another superior oil that you can get. Let's see, let's do DigestZen. So this one is the digestive blend. So if you're new to oils, this is one that will help with all things digestive. So just rubbing it right on your stomach. You can put a couple drops in water and drink it. You can smell it from the bottle. It's great for nauseousness, heartburn, indigestion, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, you name it. This was especially when I had littles that I would dilute it and put it on their little tummies, and it was great because I felt confident using this versus some kind of chemical on them, maybe with side effects. So DigestZen is one that we use a lot around our house. Now Purify was actually the first oil that I ever used that was doTERRA. So I was standing in a hayfield, had allergies, had hay fever, and I thought I would need to go home, get my medication that I'd been on for years. And my friend Elise, she just gave me a couple of drops of Purify, put it on my finger, and I rubbed it across the bridge of my nose, and within minutes my allergies were gone. And that was really impactful for me because I'd never heard of oils before. I had never used them. Was highly skeptical when I put that over my nose. I'm like, that's weird because I usually take a pill, but this worked far better, faster, and there weren't any side effects. Now, that's not the common use of Purify. That was just my first experience with it. This is great for purifying the air, for cleansing the air, for helping deodorize smells. You can put it in your garbage can, down your disposal. You can put it in a spray bottle, clean your countertops, put it in your diffuser, purifying the air that way. It's great for, stinky clothes, maybe that BO. People have even put it on as a deodorant, especially if you have really bad smelling body odor when you sweat. This is one that you can use on your body directly, diluting it or using it straight. Let's see, cilantro. This is amazing. So Emily Wright, one of the owners, she had just posted saying that this had, when it was tested, I'm trying to remember where it was at. I will post it. So if you follow me on Instagram, I will post what was said. But this oil had the broadest spectrum of chemical constituents of any oil that they had tested. I can't remember where it was, but basically this has been great for all things sick. If you're needing to detoxify your body, let me read a few of the things that I had listed. It's great for digestive discomfort, also for when you're diffusing it. It's great, just uplifting, party, helps dispel kind of negative feelings. If you're struggling with sleeplessness, that this is an oil that you can actually use for that. It's great for reducing feelings of discomfort, so muscle pain and aches in joints. This is one you can put on topically. You can put it in water and drink it. You can put it in a smoothie. You can put it in recipes. You can cook with it. This is also cilantro essential oil has shown amazing potential. This is from Dr. Hill for helping in detoxification process with metal poisoning. So heavy metal detox. So if you've ever had maybe those fillings or have been exposed to things, this is one that can help with that. I would put 2 to 4 drops in a capsule and take it internally 2 to 3 times for a week or two to help with those detoxing effects. And there's a lot more that cilantro can do. Okay, so here are the surprise oils. I won't go too deep into them because I want this to be a shorter video. So let me show you. You'll be getting Island Mint. And this is great for diffusing, uplifting, great for travel. So if you have a travel diffuser or even just putting it on kind of on your body, on your clothes, in airplanes, in the hotel room, you can take a little spray and spray the bedding. Peppermint oil is one of those top 10 essential oils everyone should have. It's great for fevers, hot flashes. It's great for stomach upset, great for uplifting the mood, energizing. I love to diffuse it with wild orange. Lime essential oil. This is another great detoxifying oil. You can put it in, recipes, diffuse it into the air. It's great for congestion. So mixing that with the peppermint is great for opening your airways. Also, it's great for dissolving cellulite. So you can rub it on topically, and also great for helping with healthy blood pressure regulation. It's very uplifting to the mood. The next one is the citronella. So this is a great one, especially during the summer. You think about bugs, mosquitoes when you're outside, that this is a great bug repellent. It smells phenomenally well. It doesn't have any toxic, fumes like a lot of the bug repellents that we often use. So this is a great replacement for that, warding off the mosquitoes. It's also great for your scalp, for boosting hair growth, cleansing the scalp if you have issues with dandruff or things like that. It's a great one. It's a great surface cleaner. So citronella. And then the last one is spearmint. So spearmint, most people know what it smells like. It smells heavenly. Putting it into your diffuser, it's very uplifting. It's great to mix with some of these other oils to make your own little concoction. Spearmint is one that is great for your gums. So oral health is one that you can make a little mouthwash with, swish it around, spit it out. Great for good smelling breath instead of bad breath. So those are the oils in the kit. If you want to get that, there will be details below. If you're a member, order it through your account. If you're not a member, you can get a free membership with this kit. So that lasts for a year, and you can purchase oils at wholesale prices up to a year with doTERRA. So if you have any questions, reach out to me, and I hope this was helpful and fun for you.